Let's see if there's anything on the radio.
Might as well. Oh, the antenna's not screwed in. Turn up the volume, would you? Don't hear a thing.
I just, what?
Like I just went through that light. Hit the siren, I'm chasing after him. Hit the siren! We're gonna have to get really close for him to hear this. I better gun it. This could be dangerous. We better put on our SWAT stuff.
Okay. I just gotta cock my gun.
That's no gun. Listen to this. Nothing.
I have a feeling there's terrorists behind that door.
I hope they're loud terrorists.
It wouldn't surprise me if it was a very quiet group of 100 or so.
Here's what we're gonna do, okay? Let's get this straight.
Okay.
You are gonna kick in the door very loudly.
Okay.
I'm gonna run in behind you, make it sound like a duck to confuse them.
Okay, let me hear the duck, just so I know.
Quack, quack, quack.
That wasn't just one duck,
No,
that was a
two
whole
ducks.
flock.
While you do the duck, I'm gonna do the elephant.
Right.
Quack, quack, quack.
What?
The plan is. Okay, here's the plan.
Okay.
You kick in the door, I do the duck, you do the elephant, and then we open fire.
Okay, I might do a duck.
All right. Ready?
Okay.
Bang.
Stop.
Funniest thing. Oh, it's so funny. Oh, I'm gonna do an elephant quack, quack. Oh man. You guys are on the party list from now on.